Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add glow in your photos in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add glow to your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, all you have to do is select a photo that you want to add glow to. Now, to add the glow, simply click on Edit option and now select the light option and increase the exposure according to your preference, just like this, and adjust other settings accordingly. Go to your effects and similarly increase the clarity and also the texture and also the dehaze. And just like this, we can add glow to our photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.